With Store Commander, I'm going to be able to manipulate my products and my categories. For example, I can add or move my products to various different categories using the simple drag and drop. Taking this product, for example, which is in the no decline bedrooms, I can use the drag and drop to either add the product to another category or move it from its category to place it into a different category. The action depends on this icon on the toolbar. For example, for instance, here it's disabled. That means the drag and drop action will move the product from the category it's in at the moment to move it to the target category. If I enable this option, this icon on the toolbar, so I click on it to enable it, so it's on a gray background, the action of dragging and dropping my product will not move the product from its current category, but it will add it to another category. So if I drag and drop the product into the sales category, the product is still in its category, no decline bedrooms, but it's also been added to sales. I can do it on one product or multiple products. So I'm using the control key on my keyboard to select the product, or I can use the mass selection icon on the toolbar here to select all of them in the same category and then drag and drop them in the sales category. There are still in the don't decline bedrooms, but they are now also in the sales category. Another way of associating products to categories is using the category panel on the right hand side in the properties column, where I can find all my categories. And then here I've got tick boxes, so I can associate products to categories. So taking this one, I can add it to this category or this category. I can also select various categories and use the mass association icon on the toolbar. That was going to tick the boxes, and it's done. And on the contrary, I can dissociate the product to the selected categories by hitting that icon. And that's done. As always, one product, multiple products, all products, and I can tick, untick, or select and use the association or dissociation icon.